Hi and welcome to this video on Encaustic Art. This is Brian from Encaustic Art Plus. Today I'm going to take you through what is in the Encaustic Art Starter Set. I've just taken the sleeve off, I'll just pop that out of the way. So we've got a nice instruction guide and it's in 5 languages. And there's some pictures and information. There are 10 sheets of A5 painting card. You've got some Encaustic Art painting card, A6 in size, and there's 30 sheets. So we've got that. We've got a metal scribing tool, which I'll show you in a second what that looks. In fact, I'll show you right now. This is a metal non-heat scraping tool with 3 blades on it. There's one there, then turn it round and it's like a pencil. And you can use these edges to scrape into the wax to create marks. That doesn't need any heat or anything to use. You get the basic selection of waxes. There are 16 wax blocks in this little box. Replacements for all these parts are available from any good Encaustic Art stockist, but Encaustic Art Plus stock everything you would need. There are 16 waxes in there, look, you can see. There's enough wax there to cover about 150 to 200, maybe even more, of the A6 painting card in this kit. And then you get the painting iron. The iron comes with its own instruction guide on how to set up the iron, again in 5 languages. Right, we've got the iron, and the handle is positioned over the top. It's like clipped in, so you just pull it away. Your CE mark and your bits and pieces here want to be at the top, and the word Encaustic Art, the original, go on the bottom. The rounded edge is the front edge, and by that what I'm meaning is there's like a lug, and that's where it clips in, and this little back spring loaded one. So what you do, the rounded edge goes in first, and then the back edge, and you just push. You might need to just fiddle around with this little back clip a little bit, and it'll just click. So you've got the painting iron. The waxes, paper, information and scraping tool, all within your little kit. And that's basically what's within a kit. Kits are available from Etsy, Amazon and our website. Thank you for watching this video. Happy painting everyone, and we'll look forward to seeing you all in our next video. Please hit like and subscribe.